My name is Richard Okenya. This is Badili Africa. Welcome to a review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. In the Badili box is your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Look at those cameras. We'll get to that in a bit. Beneath is a welcome card, a 12-month warranty card, a charging brick, and a Type-C USB cable. The Redmi Note 11 Pro has a cool-looking dual glass design with a flat frame and flat panels with a rectangular camera setup at the back. On the side is your volume rocker and the power button, which also houses the fingerprint scanner. It employs a 6.67-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED screen at the front. At the bottom, you get your microphone together with a USB-C port and a speaker grill next to the SIM card tray. Thanks to its slim profile and balanced weight, the Redmi Note 11 Pro won't be an issue for most jeans pocket. It provides enough grip to be handled without a case, and it fits well in your hand. The Redmi Note 11 Pro has your typical mid-range 4-camera setup on the back. There's a high-resolution 108-megapixel primary, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. You can tweak the shooting parameters yourself. You get zoom levels between 2x and 10x, plus a slider for intermediate magnifications. Photos from the main camera are good for this class. A single 16-megapixel camera sits with the screen's perforation and takes care of your selfies. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery. It takes 15 minutes to juice up to 45% from zero, while 30 minutes gives you 78%. Out of the box, it boots Android 11 with the most current MIUI 13 version. Xiaomi's MIUI skin should make for a smoother, smarter, and more secure experience. The Redmi Note 11 Pro employs the Helio G96 chipset by MediaTek. Coupled by a 120Hz worth of display, you should be getting mostly smooth UI performance. The Redmi Note 11 Pro retails at 30,900 Kenyan shillings. Get yourself one at Badili by visiting the online store at badili.africa or calling the numbers provided for more directions. There you have it. Very quick reasons why you should get yourself a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro from Badili Africa. Until the next one, please like, share, and subscribe for more.